My message to every woman who's conflicted with circumcision is that you now have choices. You don't have to live with circumcision. I had a surgery to revise mine. There are so many venues. If you don't have a healthy care, just let your doctor know that you have this condition and you're trying to revise it. This is a human rights violation. You can apply for financial sources within the hospital or within the clinic, but I want you to know that there are choices and you don't have to live with this. I'm already seeing benefits. My pee is a lot easier. I don't experience a lot of pain in my bladder. You know, I had my surgery Tuesday and today is Friday, and I'm already seeing the benefits. I can already walk. I can already return to work. By Wednesday, I was okay. I was walking. It takes like 2 to 3 days to recover, actually. So why tolerate something like, only have I known that this was the problem and it was this easy to fix it. We women are programmed to tolerate pain. But I want you to know you have options and you do not need to tolerate circumcision. Pain that's associated with circumcision that creates painful period and can lead to a lot of health problems for young women. Please consult with the physician, find out what you can do, and help yourself any way that you can possibly do, because guess what? When you become ill and you can't take care of yourself, no one else is going to be there for you. You have to put your health top priority. You have to take care of yourself. We as a woman, we're always busy looking out for everyone else, and we ignore our